Hi. So in last video, we created this hello world project and we can see this is how it looks like when it's executed. So if you are not running your Next.js project, you can just type npm run dev and it will execute your Next.js project and you will be able to see this output. Next thing we can do is we are just going to delete this particular app.view folder. Once we do it, let me just stop this particular thing and after that we can just create one new folder named pages and henceforth we'll be creating all the pages inside this particular directory only. So in order to create the main index page, at the moment if I refresh it won't show anything because I have stopped the server here, and inside this particular pages we can just create a index.view. So in this particular index.view, whatever we type it will be shown directly inside a localhost colon 3000, that is our index root. Here we'll go and we'll create a template and inside this if I just go ahead and type home page and save it, and let me just run this particular project again by typing npm run dev, and here we go. If I refresh it, it is going to show that particular so we can see home page here. Next thing is, in order to create something like about page, you can click on this particular pages and right click on it actually and create a about.view. And here also same thing, a template is just Vue.js guys. So if you don't know about Vue.js, don't worry about it. I'll teach you more whenever we are doing some things in this particular page. But I'll be focusing more on Nuxt.js. So I'll be skipping like what is template and all. In Vue.js, template means it's just like whatever thing we'll be able to render in this particular page, which we can see. So that's what template is about. So inside this, I'll just type h1 and here type about page and save it. Once I do that, I can just go to about slash here and I'll be able to see about page. So if I go back, I'll be able to see home page. But the thing is, I want to do something like from home page, I want to have one link which goes to about page. Now you might think I'll just put a tag here and here I'll type something like go to about page and save it, and here I'll just type slash about. So if I do something like this, now if you can see, this entire page got refreshed when I went to this particular page. So if I just click on it, just look at this particular icon here, entire page got refreshed. Now the thing is, when page is this much small, that is just having one h1 tag with the about page, that time you might not feel that much difference. But if this was like entire big page with all the navigation, images, everything would have been refreshed, and in order to just change this home page to about page, everything would have been refreshed and everything needed to be reloaded. So instead of that, we can use something like I'll just erase entire thing and type something like NuxtLink, and I can type same like how I wrote that time, go to about page. Instead of href, I can just give 2, and inside this particular 2 I'll just type about. So now if I just save it and if I click on this particular link, you can clearly see there is no refresh, and you can see this icon again if you want. I'll just click on it. There is no refresh, nothing, because this uses a single page application technology, which is the famous thing which we can do with Vue.js. Same thing can be done with Nuxt.js also. Benefit of that is we don't have to reload entire page. When we click on about page, we'll be just able to see the changes in about page only. Entire page won't be getting refreshed. So that's cool thing about Nuxt.js. And now you might wonder, from where do this NuxtLink is coming from? We didn't import anything. In JavaScript, in order to get something like this, we need to import it, right? That's the best feature of Nuxt.js. We don't have to import this particular thing. By default, whenever we are using this, it is auto imported and we won't see it in this file, but it's available for us to use in this particular file. So now if you are seeing this and if you are trying to do it in Vue.js, you have to import whatever the router link which is available in that. But in Nuxt.js, we don't have to do it. That's the benefit of using Nuxt.js over Vue.js, because we don't have to auto import something. So just to make sure, we'll just go ahead and here also we'll just put something like NuxtLink, and here I'll just type go to home, and I'll just put a 2, and 2 will be just slash here. So if I just click on go to home about page, we are in about page. If I just click back, it will take me back to the home page. So that's it for this video, guys. We just learned how we can create more pages. You can create how much ever pages you want, and if you want to nest some pages, that also you can do. Something like if I just go here and type something like users, and here something like view all dot view, and if I just type a template, and let me just go here and type something like a user view and save it, I can now go to /users/view all, and it will show user view, because even with the whatever the folder which you put inside here, that folder can be directly accessed in the browser without any kind of extra setup we have to do. So I'll just delete this particular users, but I just wanted to show you that that can be done. So that's it for this video, guys. In next video we will be learning more about routing and routing parameters. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button also. See you in the next video. Bye bye.